Good morning, good morning. Ramadan Mubarak. Kaka-out lang natin. Imbis na 6 hours lang dapat yung trabaho natin, no? Kasi nasa kanilang patakaran sa government. Kailangan natin tumulong eh. Talaga bilang OFW, kailangan natin mag-overtime at tulungan na may angat yung benta na pinagtatrabaho natin. Nakagawa pa tayo ng samosa. Na-enjoy ko kakagawa ng samosa. Shoutout sa mahilig gumawa ng samosa. Okay. Tara, walking tayo para kumita ngayong araw. Let's go!
To earn rewards, type sweatco.in/i/Pinoy Walkers Benefits and accept invitation. Start walking 1,000 steps and start your earning rewards. Don't forget to direct message to me for your promotion tools and influencer hub.